Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at our question. 6 minus 5 equals 3. 6 minus 5 equals 3. There is hidden multiplication in between. 3 times 3 equals 9. We avoid error here. We must pay attention to the rules of order operation. We code the order operation as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. There is no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, there is no order between addition and subtraction. Operations are performed from left to right. Let's apply this rule to our equation. First parenthesis equals 3. Now we multiply 5 times 3 equals 15. Finally subtract 8 minus 15 equals negative 7. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand.
We've reached the end of the video. Now, solve the question on the screen. Share your answer with me in the comment section. Let's see who can find the answer. Our videos will continue. To watch new videos, click the logo on the screen to subscribe. You can also check out other videos in the boxes next to them. See you in the next video.